Hi to all the viewers of Priyadarshini Boutique, and this is Indrani. I have some beautiful silk sarees which are really beautiful, amazing look there. So let's get started with the first one. This is the first saree of today's show, today's video. Right now you're seeing this with the colorful saree. For the bright colors we have applied for this saree, and here you can see the floral motifs, which is called Shiuli Phul. For Bengalis, you know this flower, these motifs, these are called Shiuli Phul. This is for puja. You can wear this saree in the occasion of Durga Puja. ये साड़ी जो आप देख रहे हो, ये साड़ी है सिल्क की साड़ी, 4 प्लाई सिल्क के ऊपर है, और इसके जो बॉर्डर है, आप इसमें जो फ्लोरल मोटिव देख रहे हो, इसको बंगाली में शिउली फूल बोला जाता है, हमको मालूम नहीं हिंदी में इसको क्या बोला जाता है. सो जस्ट टेक ए लुक फॉर द फ्लावर, सो द फ्लोरल डिजाइन, एंड इट हैज अ अमेजिंग डिजाइन, अमेजिंग कलर ब्लेंडिंग with yellow and red and orange color, which is running throughout the body. And the pallu will goes like this with the floral motifs, and all over the body will be the same look, and you will be getting a contrasted blouse piece along with the sari, which will gives you a very bright look. I will show you the blouse piece, then you can get to know, you can understand how it will look after dripping the sari. This is how the sari look, and price will be 4500. Moving on to the next. This is also on 4 ply silk material, and this is with a red and white combination. You can wear it in the occasion of Durga Puja also, and any occasions like Diwali and upcoming occasions which you will be having with red and white combination. বাঙালিরা এটাকে লাল সাদাটাকে খুব মানে শুভ বলে মনে করে পুজোর জন্য, স্পেশালি কোনো মানে ফেস্টিভ্যালের জন্য বা কোনো শুভ অকেশনের জন্য. তো এটা আমি একটা খুব সুন্দর চেষ্টা করেছি করার, একটা লাল সাদা কম্বিনেশনে ভীষণ সুন্দর দেখতে লাগছে শাড়িটা. I will plait them up, then you can understand the look, the design of the sari, and you will be getting the red blouse piece along with the sari. This will be with 1 meter, and priced at 4500 with the same price. Those people who are watching over there, if you are interested to book any of them, our booking procedure is, if you are interested to book this saree, so you have to take the screenshot and send it to us, and with a video also, and please mention the video number. This is the pallu portion, and it is also on 4 ply silk, and this is you can say it's a indigo blue color. ये जो आप देख रहे हो ये भी एक बहुत ही अच्छी साड़ी है. इसका कलर है इंडिगो ब्लू कॉन्ट्रास्टेड विद पिंक, रानी पिंक कलर. ये ब्लाउज पीस में आपको मिलती है ये कॉन्ट्रास्टेड कलर. बहुत ही प्यारी कलर है, बहुत ही अच्छी लुक है इसकी, और इसका प्राइस रेंज है 4500. ये 4 प्लाई सिल्क के ऊपर है, बहुत ही अमेजिंग लुक है. आई विल शो यू इन अ क्लोजर व्यू विद ऑन द बॉर्डर पोर्शन यू विल बी गेटिंग ब्यूटिफुल डिजाइन, एंड दिस इज द लुक ऑफ द साड़ी. I also pleat them up so you can understand the design of the sari. So we have got one more color option for this category. So we have got one more black color, black with red combination. Just take a look for the sari. It has an amazing border. Just take a look for the border portion. Just take a look for the border. Amazing border it has, and all over the body has got paisleys are there with digital printed, and this is how the palla look. I will show you the palla, so then you can understand the palla. It has a beautiful palla with the paisleys and the design. A beautiful sari which you will be having. Beautiful sari with a beautiful color, red and black combination, which is very much common, but design is unique. It will gives you a very smart look, and with the contrasted blouse piece. So you'll be getting a contrasted blouse piece along with the sari, and price will be same 4500. So now I'm going to show you exclusive Paisley design sari with a beige and rust contrasted. Beige rust contrasted color combination. Just take a look for the sari. So if you are interested to get this sari, so you have to take the screenshot along with the video number also. You have to mention the video number. Then you can book your desired sari. So if you have this sari, so we will take the order from you. It is very much difficult to remake the sari. So please, if you wish to buy this sari, so give us your order for that sari whichever you want to book very quickly. And this is the blouse piece you will be getting. This is the blouse piece you will be getting. A nice blouse piece, nice colored blouse piece you will be getting with the sari. So it has an amazing look. Just take a look for the sari. I will show you. Beautiful sari. 4500 for the sari. আজকে কোন শাড়িটা নেবেন আপনারা ঠিক করতে পারবেন না, কারণ প্রত্যেকটা শাড়ি ভীষণ সুন্দর। এই শাড়িটা কি অপূর্ব দেখতে, আমি দেখাই। ভীষণ সুন্দর দেখতে। এটা কালার হচ্ছে পেস্তা গ্রিন বডিটা, আর পার আঁচল আর ব্লাউজ পিস হচ্ছে কলমকারি ডিজাইন, রানী কালারের মধ্যে কলমকারি ডিজাইন করা হয়েছে ডিস্ট্রেচ কালার। দেখি অপূর্ব শাড়িটা দেখতে, দেখুন অপূর্ব শাড়িটার লুক, অসাধারণ দেখতে শাড়িটা, কোনো কথা হবে না, অসাধারণ দেখতে, এতটাই সুন্দর দেখতে, এর কোনো কথা হবে না, এতটাই সুন্দর শাড়িটা। So you will be confused to go which one you get. So if you wish to buy this sari, so please take the screenshot and send it to us with the detail of the sari and the video also. Please mention the video number. And this is the blouse piece you will be getting. And this is how the sari look. This is the sari look. Now I'm going to show you exclusive bandhej sarees on 4-ply sleeve material. It has a lovely design. Just take a look for the sari with the black contrasted with the multicolor effect of bandhej, and all over the body has got the sihari effect. So this is a technique of bandhej, as you know. Amazing design with amazing color combination, and you will be getting a running blouse piece along with the sari. Running blouse piece along with the sari. One more exclusive sari we have. Just take a look for the sari. One more exclusive sari we have with the contrasted with blue and contrasted with the yellow color. Just take a look for the sari, which is running throughout the body. This is how the sari look, and this is the blouse piece. And price will be same. 4500. Wow, what a look. Beautiful look. এই শাড়িটা যদি আগে দেখতাম, শাড়িটা রিয়েলি এত সুন্দর হয়েছে, কিছু বলার অপেক্ষা রাখে না। দারুণ হয়েছে শাড়িটা, অসাধারণ দেখতে হয়েছে শাড়িটা। একদম কফি ব্রাউন কালার, আর ডিজাইনটাও একদম নতুন ডিজাইন। দেখুন কি অপূর্ব ডিজাইনটা হয়েছে, অসাধারণ শাড়িটা দেখতে। And this is the effect. Just take a look for the effect of Siveri. So this is how the effect. Then you can get to know, you can understand the effect of the sari, effect of the palla, which is going throughout the palla, which is going like this, and this is the all over the body will be like this. This is how the sari look, and this is the blouse piece. Beautiful sari with amazing design, amazing color contrasted. Chocolate brown with reddish orange. Chocolate brown with reddish orange. Beautiful combination. 4500 for the sari. This is one more Siveri sari right now you're seeing in the skin, which is in Rani pink color contrasted with blue. Just take a look for the sari. It has an amazing look for the palla area, and the border will be like this, and all over the body will be with the bandhej effect, Sivari effect. So this is a technique which is very famous, Sivari, and this is how the blouse piece. And price will be same 4500. This is the last sari of this video, which brings to the end of this video. This is with blue color, and just take a look for the sari. It doesn't have any blouse pieces, sorry, it doesn't have any border. And this is the palla area with Sivari effect. Beautiful sari. And all the sari which I'm showing in this skin, all the sari you will be getting this silk mark. They are all silk mark saris. This is how the sari. So I will show you the texture of the sari. It has an amazing texture with a 4-ply silk, and you will be getting a beautiful blouse piece along with the sari. So this brings to the end of this episode, end of this video. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe. Thank you so much.